Hi, I'm Deathlake. Hi, I'm Deathlake. Me and the human guinea pig just came back from a Chinese New Year event from uni, and these are the free goodie bags we got. I'm going to be including some clips of the event either in this video after the unboxing or in a separate video. If it's in a separate video, the link will be in the description box. I've covered the name of the uni with the raffle tickets we both got. So this is what the bags looks like. So we got one each. Oh, gotta be very careful not to reveal the name. I think they're both basically the same in each bag, I think. First, for example, it says the opening show, the dancing dragon, Piper solo, singing performance, a lucky draw. There was so many lucky draws. I can't believe they were giving away actual printers. There was a water sleeve dance, an audience interactive game. I don't remember that. Maybe we left too soon, I don't know. A fashion show, Spring Festival Gala, it says open show, dancing dragon. This is what the booklet looks like. We also each got this in our bag, so it's a thin cracker green onion. A packet of peas, mustard green peas. Some sticky notes. And then lastly is the fortune cookie. We each got a raffle, so 153 and 155. Yep, it was the same thing in each bag. The only difference was the fortune cookies are a different colour. For example, my bag is green. Wait, I can't remember which bag is mine. Either way, one of them was green, and then the human guinea pig's fortune cookie is red. It's the same mustard green peas, the thin cracker green onion cracker things, and sticky notes, as well as a little booklet in the red in the cute little red bag. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my face page for more content.